Alrighty, so our warm up for today is to list the steps to find the line of best fit in the calculator, and then we're going to find the equation for the line of best fit for the scatter plot. So I've expanded it out here for the graph. So the very first thing we need to do is find all of our ordered pairs. If I don't have the ordered pairs, I cannot put this in the calculator to be able to find the line of best fit. So just your best estimate. So I'm going to say we're counting by 10. So our first ordered pair is 10, 100, 20, 90, 30, 80, 40, 70, 50, 60, 60, 50, 70, 40, 80, 30, 90, 20, and 110. Once you have your ordered pairs, you are going to go to your calculator. So I am just using the one for the online practice star test so that you can see it. Very first thing we're going to do is we're going to clear the list. So second, plus 4, enter. You should get a message that says clear all lists done. Then we're going to go to stat. We're going to start in edit. And the X values are going to go in list 1. So the way our X values went for those ordered pairs is it counted by 10s up to 100. So we had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay? Then we right arrow over, our Y values go in list 2, and they counted down by 10s from 100. So we had 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Okay? Once your X and Y values, your X values are listed in list 1, Y values in list 2, you're going to go back to stat. You're going to right arrow over to calculate. We're going to choose option number 4, which is linear regression. So on the calculator, hit 4. Then you're going to hit enter until your screen changes. And from here, I can see y equals ax plus b. A is -1, b is 110. So our slope is -1, 110 is our y-intercept. So if I wrote it as an equation, it would be y equals -x plus 110, and that would be your line of best fit. Okay, checking your homework, those last couple of questions. Reminder, these are the steps for finding the line of best fit in the calculator. We just went over this. Step 1 is to clear your list, so second plus 4, enter. Step 2 is to enter your list, so stat, enter, enter, and we're going to put the X values in list 1, Y values in list 2. Then you're going to go ahead and calculate linear regression by hitting stat, arrowing over to calculate, and then option number 4. And then you'll get your equation in y equals ax plus b4. So we're going to calculate, we're going to graph the following line in slope-intercept form. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to start at the y-intercept. So I'm going to put a point at +1 because y equals 3x plus 1. 1 is your y-intercept. Whatever you're adding or subtracting is your y-intercept. And then we're going to make our slope a fraction so that way we can graph with it. So 3 as a fraction is 3 over 1. And we're going to follow the process of rise over run. So from this point, I'm going to go up 3, so 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to run 1 or go to the right 1. So up 3 over 1, put a point. We can do it again, go up 1, 2, 3, right 1, put a point. And that's where our line would be. The next thing we have is determine the slope and y-intercept of the following example, and then we're going to write an equation that represents this. So the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. I can go ahead and see right here that we cross the y-axis, which is our vertical axis, at -1. So the y-intercept is -1. From this point that was given to me to this point, I rise to find the slope. So I rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I run 2. So up 5, right 2. So that's +5 over 2 is my slope. We just said the y-intercept is -1 because that's where it crosses the y-axis. So my slope is y equals 5/2x minus 1, or my equation in slope-intercept form. All right, we have a practice activity for you to do on Canvas. We're going to take a CFA on scatter plots. Your homework is 3-6, and your test is next block day.